What is cloud storage? So I want to talk about what is cloud storage. So let's get started this video. Cloud storage is a cloud computing model that enables storing data and file on the internet through a cloud computing provider that you access either through the public internet or a decided private network connection. The provider securely store, manage and maintain the storage server. Infrastructure and factually need a network to ensure you have access to the data when you need it at virtually unlimited scale and with elastic capacity. Cloud storage removes the need to buy and manage your own data storage infrastructurally, giving you agility, scalability, and durability with anytime, anywhere data access. So this call is cloud storage. Everybody know what is cloud storage, what to need cloud storage. I want to explain in this video what is a cloud storage. I think you understand what is cloud storage. Thank you watching this video, and please support me. Also subscribe my channel and like this video, share your friend and social media. Thank you once again watching this video. Have a good day and be safe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.